I'm going to take you through how to eliminate part of an account within Joiin. So a common use case here is when you have intercompany transactions within your accounts payable and accounts receivable accounts. In this example, in my company Saltram Inc., in the debtors account, I have an invoice which is associated with the other company within my group, Joiin Limited, for £4,000. There's also a corresponding bill on the other side, but we'll look at that one in just a moment. So we're going to go on over to settings and we're going to go to eliminations, and I'm going to show you how we can eliminate this one. First, we'll begin by creating an elimination group, and we're just going to give this one the name partial eliminations. We're going to choose the elimination method, and we're going to say by account and contact. So I'll start by finding the first transaction that I showed you in Saltram Inc. I'm going to look in here for the account, and that's debtors there. And then I'm going to find the contact, Joiin Limited, which matches up against the other company within my group. I'll then go and find the other side of this transaction. So we've got Joiin Limited. We're going to look for Accounts Payable, which is there. And then we're going to find the other supplier. We've got Saltram. Perfect. Okay. I've found both sides of that transaction. I've added my netting adjustment, so Joiin will account for any FX differences there. And I'm going to create that elimination group. So we've got our balance sheet here with our two companies, Joiin Limited and Saltram. I'm going to go up here into my elimination settings, and I'm going to show my eliminations in columns. And I'm going to have a look at my total before eliminations and my total of all my eliminations. And you can see that I've got my eliminations set there. So I'm going to apply those changes and remove those eliminated accounts. I'll then have a look in here, and I've got my two companies again with my total that's been eliminated from both sides here. So we've got my debtors account and my accounts payable account. And then if I collapse this one, we can see that my balance sheet still balances and those intercompany transactions are accounted for. So that was a quick look at partial eliminations. If you've got any questions, drop our support team a message and we'll be more than happy to assist you.